Should you buy Blur, now? We think that Blur might have a small correction over the next few days, based on the technical signs we looked at. Investors should wait to buy Blur until after the correction. Is Blur, a good stock to buy? Based on the way Blur is moving, our technical research shows that this cryptocurrency is a good buy right now. Should you put money into Blur? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that Blur is a good buy right now. What's next for Blur? Blur has strong fundamentals, and a lot of people have invested in this coin. This means that we think the future looks bright for Blur. The price of Blur is $0.532395 right now, up $0.353793, 198.09%, from 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Blur is expected to grow a lot. Right now, Blur is showing signs of going up, with a score of 65 out of 100. Blur is expected to be worth $0.958312 by the end of 2023, which is a bullish forecast. It cost 3.88% more to buy Blur in the last 24 hours. Due to the bullish time Blur has been going through, investors have seen returns of over 16.15% on their money this past week. After looking at Blur's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little over the next few days. Blur's price is $0.532395 right now, and it's ranked number 92 among all cryptocurrencies. Blur has a total market value of $623,178,434, and there are 1,170,614,374 in circulation. Blur's price has gone up by 3.88% in the last 24 hours. Blur has grown steadily over the past week, rising 16.15%. Investors in Blur are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of Blur has gone up by 43.48% in the last 30 days. Adding $0.161336 to its previous value of $0.371059 and raising its market size to $623,178,434. Blur should not be bought right now. Instead, investors should wait for another bear market. Over the last 90 days, the price of Blur has gone up by 198.09%, from $0.178602 to $0.353793. How much does Blur cost right now? Blur is trading at $0.532395 right now, and it has a market value of $623,178,434. How much do you think Blur will cost in 2023? Blur is likely to be worth the most, which is $0.958312, in 2023.